Hi friends, welcome to Learn English Easily with Julia. My name is Julia and today we are going to learn how to divide English words into syllables. This is very important because dividing words into syllables helps you read words correctly, pronounce words correctly, write words without mistakes. I will explain everything slowly, step by step. Before we start, I wanna say something. You can turn on subtitles on this video or any of my other videos. You can also click Translate subtitles to your native language. Then you will see two subtitles. First, English subtitles from my video. Second, subtitles in your native language. Before we divide words into syllables, we need to know vowels and consonants in English. Vowels. There are 5 main vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes Y is also a vowel. For example, syllable. Y sounds like E. Consonants. All other letters are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Z. Simple rule. A syllable always has one vowel sound. Consonants help close a syllable or connect syllables. What is a syllable? A syllable is a part of a word that has one vowel sound. Examples: table, 2 syllables; candle, 2 syllables; dog, 1 syllable. In American English, syllables can be open or closed. Open syllables. An open syllable ends with a vowel, and the vowel usually makes a long sound. Examples: table, first syllable T ends with A, long T. Hero, first syllable he ends with E, long here. Closed syllables. A closed syllable ends with a consonant, and the vowel usually makes a short sound. Examples: candle, first syllable can ends with N, short can. Bedroom, first syllable bed ends with D, short bed. Rule to remember: open, long vowel; closed, short vowel. Rules for dividing words into syllables. Rule first: 2 consonants between vowels. If there are 2 consonants between vowels, divide between the consonants. Examples: happen, happen; winter, winter. Rule 2: 1 consonant between vowels. If there is 1 consonant between vowels, it usually goes with the second syllable. Examples: begin, begin; relax, relax. Rule 4: compound words. Divide between the 2 words in a compound word. Examples: sunflower, sunflower; bookstore, bookstore. Let's practice some words. Repeat after me. Window, 2 syllables. Window. Money, 2 syllables. Money. Difficult, 3 syllables. Difficult. Sunshine, 2 syllables. Sunshine. Table, 2 syllables. Table. Candle, 2 syllables. Candle. Hero, 2 syllables. Hero. Happen, 2 syllables. Happen. Look for vowels and consonants to know if a syllable is open or closed. Divide words into parts when you read or write. Start with simple words, then go to longer words. Remember, prefixes are always a separate syllable. That's all for today. If you want to learn English the easy way, like and subscribe to learn English easily with Julia. Divide words into syllables every day. Your reading and pronunciation will get better very fast. See you in the next video. Bye!